Share is an earning platform that is currently trending now in Nigeria and has been giving a lot of giveaway, including iPhone gifts and many stuff. And people have been earning and sharing their payment proof on Share. So, guys, welcome to Do Suggest. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, and leave a comment on whatever you want me to reply or what you want me to answer you. Or if this video was helpful, also drop that in the comments. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Share coupon code, what is new about Share, and what is new about the new Share website that we are on. However, I would like to make my normal the disclaimer of what I normally do when I'm reviewing such kind of platform. We do not endorse this platform and we have no ownership to the copyright and trademark of this business, neither do we have any commission from it. We just come and share with you educational information about the platform. So please do ensure to read their terms and condition before you join such platform. Yes, it's very important. If you are new to online business, such kind of business you should know won't last long. Sorry I'm saying this, but you have to know that. Now, there are a lot of platforms that have come and go like this. Example are VideoMice, recharge and get paid, Pure Internet Network, Smart Network, and many of them. You can go to my YouTube channel and search for them and see the ones I've reviewed them about. So most times why I do this video is either someone has paid for the sponsorship, or I just felt that people of my audience will really love to know about that. So I'll give them my own understanding about this platform. So whichever platform I'm reviewing, if you want to join the platform, I can connect you with the vendor and you will get your coupon code. Please, I normally see this on the previous videos I've done so far. People asking for coupon code. Hello, my viewers. Hello, my subscribers. Hello, my fam. So this is what I want you to know. I'm not building a communities of people that don't read to understand. Now, YouTube is a place that you can post video and the description. In this platform, on this space, I have a website that is a blog, and sometimes I do the post and the video together. This is a lot of work. Now, before I normally do some videos, I've already done it in the blog section of my website. So when I drop the video, in the description of the video, you will get a link to the page of the written content about that platform, how it works, how to get coupon code, person that sponsored it, and everything you need to know how to withdraw. So you should do ensure to check the description for the link to my website. The two websites or blog I normally share such information is at vituscript.com, dosuggest.com, or incomplete.com. So I normally drop them and a link in the description so that you can contact the vendor from my website, and I do drop the WhatsApp link on my website so that they also know that, yeah, this person is coming from my website, from this website, or from this YouTube, or from there. But so okay, I will try to find a way to drop the short WhatsApp link of the vendor and the YouTube channel, but I don't know if that will be appropriate. But I believe you should go to my website first, then be able to go to the person's contact. That will be more appropriate. I will know how to do it, or I will find a way to reply to every comment or people asking for coupon code vendor. But before you ask for coupon code vendors, please check the description so that scammers and all these roadside YouTubers will not come and be replying to your comment that you should contact them for vendor. They are scammers and they might eat your money, and you say that, oh, you got that from so and so person video. If I reply to you, you will know that is the author of the video that's replied to YouTube will make that known to you. The name of my channel is Do Suggest. So, and you should know by the name and the logo you will see on my YouTube channel. So please be wise on this online space. This street we're on is hard. So back to our topic. This is PrimeShare review video where we talk about how it works, how to withdraw, and how to get coupon codes. So show stuff how it works. PrimeShare is just like every affiliate marketing business online, or how can I the MLM system, whereby you generate revenue from referring others. Now the sign up fee of PrimeShare is 4,000 naira. I don't know if they have different packages now. From last time I checked, the sign up fee is 4,000 naira, one time payment, and you start earning in dollars. So every other platform do pay you in naira or you earn in naira, but this PrimeShare made it doing that it's go beyond Nigeria. There's people from Ghana, outside within the Africa can be able to sign up. Now you see your earnings in dollar, and their rate is 500 naira per dollar. So with that being said, when you have when you are ready to sign up, now you can check the link on the description to get the link to the page. I'll talk more about this PrimeShare platform and get the coupon code vendor. Or when you ask the question in the comment, I'm going to reply. I'm going to take out my time to start replying myself. Yes, I'm going to take out my time to start replying to your comments and give you the link to the coupon code vendor, the WhatsApp link to the coupon code vendor. Or you also share the description. I'm going to put the short link that place. So, and when they sign you up, what next you should do is on when you pay and they give you coupon code. Now they can give you coupon code without you signing up. Now when you get the coupon code, you come to the PrimeShare. I'm talking about that. I'm going to talk about the new PrimeShare website now. Before it was PrimeShare .net or thereabout. Now they have changed to pskeys.net. Is now the new PrimeShare website, no longer the old one. And I'll notice something. There are some sticky ads that when you click on something, it just redirect you to other websites. So I don't know if we're going to encounter that in this video, but please just bear with me while I try to get back my feet to the explanation of the video I refer to. So important for you to read the PrimeShare disclaimer, which is here. You can find the PrimeShare disclaimer is here. Please read it. Take your time and read the PrimeShare disclaimer. Okay. So, and this is where they are about us and how it works is. I said that. So this is where how it works is. So there's a lot of benefit being a member of PrimeShare or the PSKeys network group. So yes, it's how it works. The affiliate structure, the ebook and schedule, and you can learn some digital skills, sell ebooks, and refer people and earn. So registration fee according to the website is $8, which is approximately 4,000 naira. They have incentive and compensation for everyone qualified. Referral bonus of $6.4, and the first level spillover of 0.6 cents, and second spillover of 0.2 cents, and daily TikTok any of $3 if choosing, and transfer of earnings of $12 at minimum. Skill set everyone, ebook says everyone is eligible for ebook says. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. So if you're an author or a publisher, you earn 20% of your book. If you're a promoter of the book, affiliate, you earn 70%. This enable affiliate to promote more of ebooks. And the minimum requirement for uploading of ebook by author is $100 referral earnings. Okay, now let me explain this section very well. When you're able to get up to $100 referral earnings, you'll be able to become an author on PSKeys Network or Prime Shares platform. That is it. So, and your promoters earn 70% of whatever is the book says price, and you as the author or publisher earn 20%. Hope you are getting that. So those are for those people that want to become an author on this platform or how to upload ebooks on Prime Shares. So on the documentation of the blog post link I'm going to drop on the website on this description of this video, I'm going to tell you how to upload ebook on Prime Share, how to withdraw, and how to share sponsored posts so that you earn. So that's why you should have to check the written format. If I decide to explain everything about Prime Share or any affiliate program I'm reviewing on this my channel on this video, the video going to be very long and you might get stuck and get tired and leave the video. That's why I never add in the short link or the link to our website on the description, so that if you want to take your time and read more, you can go on the video script or my website link I'm going to drop in the description of the video, not on the comment section but on the description, so as for you to check out that I can maybe reply to you with the link or there, but with my account of Do Suggest. Yes. So when you have been able to get the coupon code from the vendor I'm going to refer you to that's also in this video or the post of the platform as a whole, you come to Prime Share and tap on this three icon. You tap on this three icon and you're going to see register or login. First of all, you say how it works. I've explained how it works. Top earners or top sellers, coupon code vendors. So you can get a list of some coupon code vendors on the website. But if you're unable to contact them, maybe you message them no reply, the coupon code vendor I'm going to send this contact to you is going to 24 hours reply to you at no questioning or no hate or no snubbing. So you can also check your coupon code, that whether it's validated or not, and see the ebooks on the platform on the website of Prime Share or PS Keys. Now, when you have gotten the coupon code from the vendor that I've referred to you, click on register. So it's going to take you to the Prime Shares Keys sign up page, PS Keys channel page. So what you're going to see here is for you to input your first name, last name, email address, username, phone number, password, confirmation password, and coupon code. So first of all, put your real name. Please and please do not make this mistake. This mistake, if you make it when you want to withdraw, you're going to have a lot of big problem. Put the name as it appears in your account details in your bank. So put your first name. Your first name is your main name. Your last name is your son name. So you can put your first name and put your middle name and last surname at the last name section. Then enter a valid email address. Pay attention to this. Enter an active email address. This email address is something that when you forget your password, you can use to reset your password. When your earnings is being set, you can get information. When you promote you're an author, you sell book, you get an information. This is where they can communicate with you easily. So your username can be your nickname, your fans social media name, or whatever name you wish to make as your username. Now the phone number is your active phone number. Please also put your phone number. The way your email address work on this platform is the way your phone number also work. It can be used to reach you, contact you, or to track it is you that actually owns the account. So put a password you can easily remember, a secured one, not your date of birth, not your phone number, so that people cannot easily hack to it. And enter the coupon code and click on agreeing on create agree to the terms and condition policies of Prime Shares Keys. So that I told you that you should read the policy, terms and condition, and every stuff involved. So the thing is taking the policy page is taking us back to the home page. But on the home page section, they have the policy. So you should take out your time and read the entire process of the policy page and how they store your data or your information is being accessed. It's very important. And you also check out the terms of service, how they serve you. Terms of service. Okay, so this is the time. I cannot go through the entire terms of service, but you should know the important one. So members must agree to the terms of service And when you are done with that, please you go ahead and click on create account. So the next next screen you're gonna see is the login the access on my account on this PS key. So probably I might not be using my account, or I'll be using the account of the vendor I'm promoting the platform for. So stay tuned while I log into the site, because I already have an account, or I have a detail to an account on this platform I'm reviewing right now.